The king of pasta, Adam Swanson, is here, and that means we're going to be cooking a delicious dish. I love your recipes. This one's a little different, not Italian.
Oh, it's a bit of fusion, a bit of Italian and Asian flavours going on, Juz. And I know you love your tuna pasta.
Oh, I love tuna pasta.
I hear about it all the time. Don't worry, I hear it all the time. So I thought we were going to create something a little bit, Asian-y with the gluten-free San Remo spaghetti.
Yes, beautiful option, yep.
So we need to get our pasta into the water.
Yes.
I'll get you on to slicing up the garlic and the onion.
Can do.
So 6 to 8 minutes on our pasta cook, Juz.
Okay, so not long at all.
No.
And that will achieve an al dente result?
Yes, 100%.
Great. Yes.
Now, a nice little pinch of salt.
I'm not even joking. I have pasta once a week. It's my go-to pantry pasta. A can of tuna, parsley, capers, anchovies. I just love it. Lots of chilli. It's so easy to put together. It's so wholesome.
Just once a week. I'm about 3 times a week in my household. Pasta's number one for me. I can't get enough.
That's just the tuna pasta. The other pastas, there's lasagna and a few others.
OK. All right, shallots and garlic and chilli need to go in first.
Okay.
So just finely chop up our shallots like so.
And we've got a long chilli here. I'm going to leave the seeds in today. Why not?
If you want, you can remove them if you don't want it too hot, OK? Personal preference, up to you. So we're going to have a bit of heat in our pasta.
Yes,
lovely.
A bit of fire. The fusion part comes in with a bit of lime and coriander. Very interesting.
Yeah, and also, but we're using the capers, yeah? So typically, like you said, you would have tomatoes, capers, maybe green olives, Italian style, but fusion-wise, we're using the lime and the coriander.
Nice one.
So shallots, is shallots like French? Is that right? Is that what we get or what?
French shallots, but they're also called purple shallots. I like them because they're milder in flavour than onion.
Yeah,
and they cook
enough.
faster. Yeah.
Look, if you didn't have them at home, you might have some spring onions. You can use them as well.
Yeah, absolutely. OK, so that's...
Into the pan with that.
That goes in now?
Yes, please.
OK.
Nice.
A good hit of garlic.
Yeah.
And chilli there.
Now, with the coriander, if I had a master stock, I'd keep that bottom half, yeah?
Yep.
But what I like to do, Juz, the little one, is take there. So like when you're adding parsley, when you're making a ragu, yeah, when Mum makes it at home, we use the stalks. That's where all the flavour is.
So much flavour.
Now, time for the capers.
Capers, sir.
In they go. It's a quick dish. Tuna.
Tuna. So I'm going to be using some tuna in spring water. And do you like it to be fine or you want the chunky bits?
I love the chunks. Because it's going to break down with the heat once we add the pasta into the pan.
In it goes. Now, speaking of pasta, gluten-free pastas, I find they're getting better and better.
This spaghetti, this San Remo gluten-free spaghetti is amazing. Yeah, you will not know the difference, let me tell you. And again, the 6 to 8 minute cooking time is really, really good. Now I'll get you zest in the lime.
Can do.
Now, not your fingers, remember?
I know.
Lovely. Ah, nice and zesty freshness, you know what I mean? With that heat from the chilli, it's going to work well.
This is a take on my classic tuna and pasta recipe, but I'm loving it. I love the smell of the lime with the capers.
Yes.
Fantastic combination. Any juice?
Yes, a little bit of juice, a little bit extra olive oil. Pasta, that's it, lovely. And then just quick chop over that coriander for me. Turn down the heat.
OK, coriander.
In that goes, like so. And look, I hate using the tongs. I'll try and stay away.
I know, yeah. No one cooks pasta like you do.
I hope so, after a few years doing it together.
I still make a mess everywhere. I try to, what would Swanee do? And start tossing like this and it goes everywhere.
As long as you're not cursing me, I'm happy.
No. Oh, that looks fantastic.
There we go.
This is a fantastic pasta. It's gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. And I love the fusion twist here. A bit of lime, a bit of tuna. And the best thing is, it takes, what, 8 minutes?
Yeah.
Geez, you're good.
Thanks.